Ali is known as a name, and Lahore is used as a place, and table is used as an object, and happiness and sadness is used as an idea. Girl is known as a name of any girl as a common noun, and Ali is known as a proper person or the specific or a particular person, and Lahore is again the particular specific name of a place. So articles come before nouns. It is very natural about the articles determinants that they are takes place in the beginning of a noun. There are two types. There are two types of the English articles, or in the English grammar, there is the division of the article can be classified in two categories. The first one or the first type of the article is known as the definite article, and the second category of the article is known as definite article. Indefinite article. Indefinite article denotes the indefinite person, means the person who is not specific or not particular in the context. Things are also known as the a or an which uses as an indefinite article with the things and objects normally. A and an are the two words which are known as indefinite articles. For example, if a doctor. Now see, here is doctor means any doctor. On the other hand, the other category of the articles or determiners known as definite because generally it points out some particular person or thing. For instance, Ali saw the teacher. He Here the the word teacher explains or denotes that Ali is talking about some particular person, some particular specific person who is the teacher. So the word modifies the specific and particular person, the teacher. The In the presence of the teacher, it denotes with the, and that the is known as the definite article because it points out or denotes a specific or a particular or a definite person. So the indefinite articles is used before countable nouns. For example, if I say that a mobile, a chair, an onion, a boy, here the concept of countable noun also need to be cleared. Countable nouns are those nouns which can be counted, which can be examined, for instance like laptop, and we also make the plural of the laptop by adding s, like laptops, pencil and pencils, mobile and mobiles. So it means we can count all these things. But on the other hand, the definite article, which is known as the, how it can be used? It is used before single countable and uncountable noun. For instance, the book or the books, the milk and the sugar. Now see, book is countable noun but milk is uncountable noun and the sugar is uncountable noun. It can be measured and it can be counted as in the form of the packs, in the form of the packing, or in the form of the by measuring some limited quantity. So singular nouns, and the first time we refer to a person, animal and thing, we use a and an. With the person or with the animals, the first time we use with the a and an when we introduce them the first time in the context. For example, a child means any child. We can talk about any child. It is used as a common noun. An elephant or a television. So one important thing about the indefinite article is that a and an is that we do not use indefinite articles with possessive pronouns or demonstrative pronouns or demonstrative words or the numericals. For example, we can pronounce that my shirt is dirty, but we cannot say that my shirt is an dirty or my shirt is a dirty. So my shirt is dirty is a correct sentence. We cannot use the shirt, or a shirt with my. If we use the word my with shirt, it is sufficient. Here is no place to mention it. So my shirt or my the shirt is dirty would be wrong. So the second analogy expresses the demonstrative pronoun this without using a, an or the. So this carries this car is expensive. In other words, it would be wrong to say this a car is expensive, this an car is expensive, or the car is expensive. When we want to explain the number, we can use the word one or more than one rather than to use a and an. When we are talking about the number, we can we cannot use with a and an. So for instance, there is only one exit, rather than we can say that there is only no one exit from the airport. So there is only one exit from the airport. And the next thing, in the use of choice of the indefinite article a and an. The choice between a and an is observed by sounds, means before a word beginning with the vowel sounds e, I, o, u, g, h, and is used as an import, and can be used as an import, an army, an elephant, rather than a elephant, a army, or a import. Likewise, onion is also used with an umbrella, an hour, an honest man. So the next word a as an indefinite article come before a word beginning with the consonant sounds. Apart from the e, I, o, u, g, h, all English letters or all English sounds are known as the consonant, like p, b, t, d, s, z, k, g, so on and so forth. So as a boy, a woman, a yard, a horse, a hole, and also a university, a union, and a European. So it is the brief discussion about the use of indefinite articles a or an. So after discussing the nature of the use of the indefinite article a and an, we will elaborate the effective use of the definite articles, means how we can use the with the things, with the proper things, with the specific things, with the regular things. So the definite article the is used when we talk about a particular specific person or the thing. So the is used with singular, plural, noun when it is clear and obvious that the person or thing we are talking about, कि हम कौन से एक particular specific person के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. For instance, we can say that the upper portion of the building, means we are not talking about the lower portion or any other portion. We are talking about the only specific portion, which is the upper portion of that building. And the next analogy is that there is a lamp in my bedroom. Here we mention the lamp for the first time. And it can be a lamp, means any lamp. But if we say that the lamp is next to the desk, in this example or in this first sentence, a lamp denotes any lamp in the context, mean in general. But in the second sentence, a particular sort of lamp is discussed, like the lamp is next to the desk. After two types of the two usage of the articles the, then we can thirdly we use the definite article as when a singular noun is used to present a whole class. For instance, means when we are discussing about the one object by introducing the other class or other category of that phenomena of that object. For instance, the cow is a useful animal. So in this sentence, in this example, the cow is used as a singular noun apparently, but as a matter of fact, it used to represent the whole class of the cow. Means we examine the one cow on the we examine the other category of the or the all the rest of the uh, cows on the behalf of the one single cow, or represent the other cows. Likewise, the horse is a noble animal. It means not only the specific horse, but the horse represent the nature of the other horses. Fourthly, the definite article is used with some proper names. For instance, the is used with the name of oceans, with the name of the seas. For example, the Pacific Sea, the Black Sea and the Black Canal, the Sahara Desert, and the is also used with the groups of island. For instance, the West Indies, the Himalayas, and the is also used with few names of the countries, which include words like republic and kingdom. For instance, the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom. The as a definite article is used with before the names of certain books, as the Holy Quran, the Puranas, so on and so forth. So the is used with the names of things which are unique in their nature, like the sun, the sky, the ocean, the earth. As in the sentence, the earth revolves around the sun. Now see, the signifies earth as a particular object, and again the is used with the sun, as sun is one specific object and one unique object in its nature. Last but not the least, the is used as a definite article, superlative degrees. Here the sentence, the darkest cloud has a singular lining. This is the best book of elementary chemistry. Here the word darkest is used as a superlative degree, and the best in the next sentence is used as the superlative form. So here is the use with the third category of the darkest. Likewise, the is used with the best book. After all of the above discussion, we may gather that in English grammar we have two types of articles or determiners. Determiners are the same name for the articles. The difference in this thing is that according to the few grammarians, new grammarians and few linguists introduced the term determiners by introducing the articles. So article, a and an and the are the only three words which can be known as the English articles or English grammar's article. So a, an and the are the words which are used to explain the specific or non-specific persons, objects and places. One category of the article is indefinite article and the other category or type is definite article. A and an is used with common and non-specific things, non-regular things or non-particular things, whereas definite article is used to express the particular objects, the proper names, the specific things. The as a definite article is used with the holy books like the Quran Pak, the superlative degrees, and the specific or proper names. It is also used to show the possession and also used with demonstrative pronouns like this and that. So it is all about for the elaboration of the articles. If you have any queries, you may ask by the LMS, by giving your comments and by giving your discussion, by making your discussion. Oh, and stay blessed. See you in next class.